making friends, like international kids, like mostly my friends are like Asian background kids, or like sometimes they ask me, "Oh, Bona, like, do you know this Korean celebrities or dramas and or the band groups?" And I said, who are they? And I said, they explained to me, and like I really have no idea. I'm so sorry. And they said, "How could you not know them? Like, seriously, you're Korean." So I said to them, I left my country for a really long time, and they sometimes a little confused that, am I being Canadian or I'm being Korean? Like when I like having like friends like talking about my home country, and I was like, I'm middle of it, but just that I'm kind of confused. I'm Korean or the Canadian, like.